Hello and welcome back to Kai Anant. I'm Sneha and let's see some examples. So बहुत trivial से examples करते हैं first. The very first example is any set f with the operation addition, where this f can be the set of complex numbers or the set of real numbers or integers or rationals. Clearly the identity here will be 0 and the inverses will be negative numbers or additive inverse इस केस में होंगे. If you are wondering how we get to the identity and inverse, refer to the previous videos where we discussed these in great details. Next will be f star with the product, where again f star is c star or r star or q star in this case, where c star represent all the complex number except 0. So c or r or q except 0 is referred as c star, r star or q star. In this case the identity is 1 and the inverse is 1 by a or a inverse, right? Let us see some groups that are very important and special in our case. 4 known as Kleins group. So basically we have to prove that this is a group. It contains 4 elements and hence the suffix 4, 1, minus 1, iota and minus iota. The binary operation on this particular set is given as ordinary multiplication of complex numbers. And now let's see whether this set with this operation becomes a becomes a group or not. So very first thing is closure. We need to prove that इस ग्रुप के किसी भी दो एलिमेंट को एक दूसरे से ऑपरेट करवाएंगे तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो यहीं आए, राइट? एंड दिस इज सिंस वी आर हैंडलिंग 4 एलिमेंट्स, इट्स वेरी इजी दैट वी प्रूव इंडिविजुअली. दिस इज minus 1 multiplied by iota will be iota and 1 multiplied by minus iota will be minus iota. You can similarly do for minus 1, you can do it for iota and you can do it for minus iota. You will find out that the product is in the set K4 and hence the closure property. Second, you have to prove the associative property of the binary operation, ordinary multiplication of complex numbers, and I know that ordinary multiplication of complex numbers is associative. So this operation is associative already and hence it has to be associative on K4. Now the main task is to find out the identity and the inverses. See what is the identity. Since we are doing multiplication, you make it in your habit that you first check that 1 is there in the group or not whenever the binary operation is of multiplication, and try to see whether 1 is the identity or not. So clearly I can say that 1 is the identity because when you multiply 1 with any other element you will get the element itself. So for any a in the set K4, a into 1 will be 1 into a will be a, and hence 1 is the identity. So this member here, the very first member, becomes the identity. Now comes the inverses that we have to talk about. So inverses, now we have 4 elements and you cannot generalize the inverse of each element here, so you have to find out the inverse separately. So for 1, I know 1 is an identity element, 1 will be the inverse of itself or self inverse element, right? So 1 is a self inverse element. Always remember that identity is a self inverse element in the group. So identity के लिए तो आपको चेक भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, identity का inverse identity खुद होगा, ठीक है? Next say -1, you have to find out a member from K4 जिसको आप -1 से multiply करो तो you'll get 1 as answer, and the answer is -1. So when you multiply -1 with -1 you'll get the identity back, and hence -1 is also a self inverse element, right? So it's also a self inverse element. Then you have iota. You have to multiply iota with something to get 1 from the set K4, and the answer here should be -1 because iota square is -1. Iota into minus iota will give you +1. So the inverse of iota is minus iota and vice versa. The inverse of minus iota will be iota. So पूरा ग्रुप आपके सामने आ गया. देर आर 4 एलिमेंट्स. 1 इज़ द आइडेंटिटी, 1 and -1 आर सेल्फ इन्वर्स, एंड आयोटा is inverse of minus iota and minus iota is inverse of iota. There will be many other characters of a group 2 जो हम आगे जा कर के पढ़ेंगे, and then we are going to we will come back here on these examples to find out whether वो जो characters हमने अभी पढ़े हैं वो ये group show करते हैं या नहीं करते. So this is K4 Klein's group with 4 elements. Next we have Zn, and I think we discussed Zn somewhere in my previous video. अगर मुझे वो video मिलेगा तो मैं link डाल दूँगी इधर, अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो I would try कि Zn को हम unfold करें. But for now Zn consists of elements from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. So it's a group with n elements starting from 0 till n minus 1. And the operation, the binary operation here is the addition modulo n. And I think number theoretic function में इसको हमने पढ़ा था. What is addition modulo n? So we have to prove that this is a group. First is the closure property. Basically addition modulo n जो होता है ना, this is nothing but when you are applying addition modulo n on 2 elements, all you need to do is you have to add the numbers like ordinary addition, and then you have to divide this by n. So you have to divide a plus b by n. Whatever remainder जो कुछ भी आएगा, the remainder, that will be the answer of this session. A addition modulo n, b. So closure property is there because whenever you are going to add two numbers from Zn, suppose you have some a and b in Zn, obviously a and b will be strictly less than n, and then you have to add them, a and b, you will add them, and then you divide this number by n because ultimately addition modulo n apply कर रहे हो आप, और जो remainder बचेगा that remainder has to be less than n, division algorithm, and hence the closure property. This is not a very interesting way to write down the closure property, but you can easily find out, or you can easily get there. The closure property, I am more interested in finding out the identities and inverses. That is why I am skipping these small steps. Associativity, you can say that addition modulo n is associative, and you'll find the proof in discrete mathematics. Next जो हमारा main काम है, that is the identity. I have to find the identity. So again a pro tip here, whenever your binary operation has something to do with addition, watch out for 0 in your set. If 0 is there, then 0 will be your identity, or 0 can be your identity, can serve the purpose. You have to check. So for every a in Zn, a addition modulo n 0 will be a itself, because what you are doing is you are adding 0 and a together, you will get a, then you are dividing a by n, and since a is a member of Zn, it has to be less than strictly less than n, तो remainder a ही बचेगा, and hence 0 is the identity. Lastly we have to talk about the inverses. So inverses, now in inverses, suppose I have a in Zn, all I need to find out is I need to find a member from Zn जिसके ऊपर ये बाइनरी ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करूँ तो 0 आंसर आ जाए, राइट. एंड इफ़ यू थिंक और इफ़ यू लुक वेरी कीनली, यू विल फाइंड आउट दैट इफ़ आई एड n minus a to a in ordinary addition, the answer will be n, and when you divide n by n, you will get the remainder as 0. So for every a in Zn, the inverse of a minus a, the inverse of a will be n minus a in this case, right. So you can do, now you have the set with you, you have the binary operation, change the value of n and you will get n number of different groups with you, with 0 as the identity, and inverses you can find out as n minus a. We are going to do this group in great details once we know all the other characters of a group, right. So for the time being, you just understand the binary operation on the group and the identity and the inverses. That's it. I have K4 with 4 elements, 1, -1, iota, minus iota, 1 इज़ द आइडेंटिटी, 1 माइनस 1 सेल्फ इन्वर्स, आयोटा माइनस आयोटा एक दूसरे के इन्वर्स हैं. देन आई हैव ZN जिसमें 0 से लेके n-1 तक इंटीजर्स लिखे जाते हैं. बेसिकली ये हम रिमाइंडर्स की हेल्प से बना रहे हैं. माई बाइनरी ऑपरेशन इज़ ऑल्सो हियर एडिशन मॉड्यूलो n. यहाँ पर आइडेंटिटी है 0 एंड द इन्वर्सेस आर n-a टाइप्स. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, थोड़ा आपको एक आइडिया देने के लिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट Z4 एंड Z4 के अंदर मुझे 3 का इन्वर्स देखना है. व्हाट इज़ द इन्वर्स ऑफ 3? तो इन्वर्स ऑफ 3 क्या बनेगा? 4 माइनस 3 दैट इज़ 1. राइट. ये जो मैंने यहाँ सिंबल लिखा है ना, ये बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है दैट आई एम राइटिंग -3 इक्वल टू 1. फॉर अस इन ग्रुप थ्योरी -3 का मतलब है इन्वर्स ऑफ 3. इन्वर्स ऑफ 3. So in Z4 the inverse of 3 will be 1 using this formula or using this knowledge that inverses will be of the type n-a. So we will be doing some more examples in the next video. Hope you understood. If you did, hit the like button. अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो. And yeah, we will be meeting in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.